on how can the infrastructure service, like the cloud service, make the difference, make the impact to the local economic.
Great, thank you very much. Now, I think what we're seeing today in LEAP speaks for itself. So there is a huge change and shift with regards to transformation and utilizing digital solutions to really utilize that as a stepping stone and a jumping pad to really go and leap beyond normal expectations. An infrastructure, having a very capable and robust infrastructure with a lot of services allows you to really offload a lot of the headaches to somebody else and then focusing on your core application. So today, one of our core elements of what we want to do is really we want people to focus on their core. And we want to take the core and the headache away from them and take the infrastructure pains and handle it on their behalf so that they can go and focus on developing games, on launching consumer products and e-commerce products, and we'll take care of the headache of everything underlying through the infrastructure aspect. Now, as we start to progress, we're adding a lot more solutions, and we're trying to offload a lot of more elements for our end customers. So initially, when cloud initially launched, there was IaaS, which was basic infrastructure as a service. As we start to progress, we're going into the platform as a service element. We're adding more capabilities in platform as a service. As you mentioned, AI, big data, analytics. We're adding an API platform. We're adding today, if you see our booth, we're adding a game development platform. We're adding a metaverse development platform. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to really enable people to focus on what their core deliverable is and offload them with everything else and sort of give them a holistic view of their core deliverable and give them a pure infrastructure play and platform play that can help them go to market quicker with lower costs and with better economy of scale.